Forget boxing or MMA. The animal kingdom has a much smellier way to settle a fight. Meet the ring-tailed lemur. These guys don't use their claws to settle beef, they use stink fights. They have scent glands on their wrists. They rub them on their tails until they're loaded, then wave them at their rivals. Scientists at Duke University found it's basically a biological rap battle. The smellier you are, the more dominant you become. The loser eventually just gives up and leaves. No blood, just a very offended nose. Would you be impressed or just grossed out by this strategy? Let me know below. And hit subscribe for more daily wild facts.